Hello everybody. In this video I will show you how to create dynamic stack in Java. Stack is a last in first out data structure. Stack has only one end from which either insertion of data is done or removal of the data is done. Let's see here. Let's make a simple node. We will use linked list to implement dynamic stack. So let's see in picture. Let's create a node. Node contains of two parts, information part and data part. Suppose there is the data, okay, data like a. Okay, let's move this little bit and group these things. Okay, initially there is nothing in the stack, so the top, the end from which insertion and deletion of elements is done is empty. So at the very beginning, let's suppose this is our temporary node, and we will make this node as top also. By assigning temp to the top, we will make both temp and top to reference same memory location. So this node initially created will become top and both temp. Now write this. This is both top and temp. Now as we get another node, let's suppose we create the second node, and we have to, what we will do is we will connect this new node with this node by assigning the reference of this node to the address part of new node, and we will make this node top. Now this will be made as top. This will be now top. Now when we get another node, again what we do is we will assign address of this node to this, the address part of new node, and we will make this new node top. In this way our last element inserted will be always coming to the top, and that will be the element we will remove. Okay, now let's start coding in Java. First let's make the node for the stack class, stack node. Let's make the string and data, stack node. Next, okay, now let's define constructor for this class, stk node. Constructor we will be passing data, string yes. Okay, now let's assign yes to data, null to next. Now let's write the method to get value of this node, get data, so it will return data. Now let's define class dynamic stack. Okay, here we will be making nodes top, and initially top will be null and another temporary node. Now we need the value for this data also, so we have to define one string variable. Now let's write the push function, void push, that will take string data. Let's assign data d to the data, and let's make temporary node new stk node. Let's pass data here. Now temporary node is created. Now we have to check if top is null or not. Initially there is nothing, so the top will be null. We'll simply assign temp to the null. Now if top is not null, what we do is we will do temp.next equal to top, and we will assign temp to the top. We are setting top and making that new temporary node as the top. Now let's write the pop function here, public void pop. This will simply return the top elements value. First let's check if top is not null. Top must be not null. If top is not null, just display the value of top element. Top dot data, then assign top to the temp, then make top equal to temp dot next. Okay, assign null to the temp. Okay, that is the pop function. Then let's write the display method for, now let's use it for temp equal to top, temp not equal to null, temp equal to temp dot next. Okay, system dot out dot print alien data plus temp dot get data. Okay, in this way we can display the content of the stack. Everything is fine. Dynamic is that this is the push method. If top is null, we will make that temp as the top. If top is not null, then we'll shift top. Okay, this is the pop function. This is the display. Now let's write the driver method. Public static void main. Okay, string, and I don't have to do this. Now let's make a dynamic stack. Yes, as new dynamic stack. Okay, now let's do yes dot push. Now let's string Everest. Control C, Control V, Control V. Kanchenjunga. Then let's write Lhotse. Now let's display this stack content. Now let's pop element from this. Now again display this. Now let's execute this. First we have to say this dynamic stack dot java. Now let's go to this one. Let's bring here Java C dynamic stack.java. Okay, where I have saved this? Okay, it is in some other folder. DSA. So Java C alias Java C dynamic. Okay, fine. Dynamic stack. Now you can see the here. Okay, let's decrease this little bit. I'll show you this. What is happening here? Where are my values? Dynamic stack compiled. Just to recompile Java dynamic. Now you can see here, initially I have inserted Everest, then Kanchenjunga, then Lhotse. The first element popped is Lhotse because it is the last element to be inserted, and we again displayed, and the displayed content showed only 2 elements because we have already removed one. Here I can add one more element after popping. Yes dot push Annapurna, Purna. Okay, now I will display this. Yes dot display. Now let's see what happens. Java C. Okay, I don't have to do this. Java Dyna. Okay, now you can see here. First I inserted 3 elements, Everest, Kanchenjunga, Lhotse is the last element. When I pop the element, Lhotse came out because it's the last element to be inserted. And then again I displayed there are only two elements, Everest and Kanchenjunga. After that I inserted Annapurna, and you can see Everest, Kanchenjunga, Annapurna. Okay, in this way we can use the concept of linked list to implement the dynamic stack. Thank you very much for listening.